blue light. Like the cool 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 blue light.
What is up, guys? So we're back again with another video, and as you can see, we're gonna be installing an exhaust system on this car, and of course it has to be Corsa. With that intro that you guys just seen, of course we went with the Corsa Xtreme system, catback, full catback. It's valved, so it comes with the little motors there, the actuators, and yeah, he had like a little muffler delete, but that's about it. Resonator delete, whatever, same stuff. And we're gonna install this on it, and I already did a before clip of how the car sounded. I'm gonna enter that clip right now, and you guys let me know if you guys like the Corsa exhaust or just keep it with the simple resonator delete that he has. See which one sounds better, but let's get to work on it. We'll do that right now. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off with taking this bolt, pretty much just taking off everything from right here back. Alright guys, I just took off this rubber grommet, whatever it's called. I just took it off the hanger. It's pretty easy. I sprayed some silicone grease on it. I sprayed some of that, and all you gotta do is just literally pry it off. It comes off fairly simple. Just go at it. Just be careful with this right here, because you don't want to break that. But it's already out right there. I already got these hangers off. This one as well. These sensors, I disconnected them. Alright guys, now we're gonna go and switch these actuators over to these, the new exhaust system. It's an 8mm bolt, and you just take it off. Got the system put in, actuators are connected, and the tips are aligned. Alright, put her down and see how it sounds.
What's up, bastards? We're fucking back for another video. Just changed it. The exhaust. Fuck. Fucked up his fucking reach It's hard. Órale pues mis chavos, aquí andamos en el Hellcat.
Just installed the Corsa Xtreme system. Sounds pretty good. It's not too loud, right?
Yeah, like your
Not
car.
like mine. It still has cats, that's why it's not that loud too.
Hey. That looks nice during the day, but at night that bitch scary as hell.
Sounds pretty good.
Sounds beautiful.
That's how I would like my car to sound, honestly.
Yeah, your car's just stupid or fucking ridiculous. Dumb. Loud. I like loud though.
You can still hear the whine. The exhaust doesn't freaking overpower the whine.
Like your car.